سلام، من شقایق هستم. خوش اومدید به ادامه دوره 0 تا 100 گرامر انگلیسی. توی این قسمت درس میخوایم گرامر گذشته کامل یا past perfect رو با همدیگه بررسی کنیم. کاربرد past perfect تو زبان انگلیسی چی میشه؟ برای نشون دادن یه اتفاقی که قبل از یه زمان مشخصی تو گذشته رخ داده. یادتون باشه ما یه سری افعال با قاعده داریم، یه سری افعال بی قاعده. افعال با قاعده همیشه آخرشون ایدی اضافه میشد، اما افعال بی قاعده یا کلا تغییر شکل پیدا میکردن یا کلا ثابت میموندن. نحوه جمله سازی تو زمان گذشته کامل چیه؟ اول subject plus had plus past participle. subject که میشد فاعلمون، had نشونه گذشته کامل و past participle شکل سوم فعل اصلیمون. برای منفی کردن تو زمان گذشته کامل اول subject plus had plus not plus past participle. subject که میشد فاعلمون، had plus not رو مخفف میکنیم میگیم hadn't و past participle میشه قسمت سوم فعلمون. برای سوالی کردن اول had plus subject plus past participle. اول had میاریم که نشونه گذشته کامل هستش، بعد subject که فاعلمونه و past participle قسمت سوم فعلمون. کاربرد before و after تو گذشته کامل برای بیان کاری که قبل یا بعد از یک کاری توی گذشته اتفاق افتاده. For example, I had opened the window before it started raining. She had brushed her teeth before going to bed. After we had ordered food, we started talking. After they had slept, they felt better. کاربرد کلمه just تو گذشته کامل برای نشون دادن اتفاقی که تو لحظات قبل یه اتفاق رخ داده. For example, he had just woken up when his friend called him. کاربرد already تو گذشته کامل برای نشون دادن یه کاری قبل از زمان مشخصی تو گذشته. For example, she had already left when the meeting started. They had already heard the news when I told them. By the time برای نشون دادن کاریه که تو زمان مشخصی تو گذشته کامل شده. For example, by the time the police arrived, the thief had escaped. یکی از کاربردهای گذشته کامل اینه که برای توضیح علت یک اتفاقی توی گذشته استفاده میشه. For example, she was cried because she had lost her necklace. They were tired because they had walked all day. فرق simple past با past perfect چیه؟ گذشته ساده یک کاری توی گذشته اتفاق افتاده و تموم شده. اما گذشته کامل یک کاری قبل یا بعد یک کار دیگه تو گذشته اتفاق افتاده. For example, he lost his phone. He was upset because he had lost his phone. We won the match. We were happy because we had won the match. They missed the flight. When they arrived, they had missed the flight. He ate all the cake. He felt sick because he had eaten all the cake. طبق معمول هر هفته میریم سراغ تمرینات. جملات مثبت میسازیم، منفیش میکنیم، سوالیش میکنیم و جواب کوتاه میدیم. She had planned. She hadn't planned. Had she planned? Yes, she had. No, she hadn't. You had borrowed money. You hadn't borrowed money. Had you borrowed money? Yes, I had. No, I hadn't. They had designed their office. They hadn't designed their office. Had they designed their office? Yes, they had. No, they hadn't. He had baked bread. He hadn't baked bread. Had he baked bread? Yes, he had. No, He hadn't. I had danced with my friend. I hadn't danced with my friend. Had I danced with my friend? Yes, you had. No, you hadn't. We had helped our family. We hadn't helped our family. Had we helped our family? Yes, we had. No, we hadn't. توی این قسمت درس ما گرامر گذشته کامل یا past perfect رو با هم دیگه یاد گرفتیم. امیدوارم تو مکالماتون ازش استفاده کنید و لذت ببرید. اگه این ویدیو براتون مفید بود خوشحال میشم لایک کنید، چنل منو دنبال کنید و زنگوله یادتون نره تا آموزش‌های بعدی از دست ندید. تا آموزش‌های بعدی، خدا نگهدار.